What's going on, guys? It's your boy Christian here, back at you in San Antonio, Texas. We're here at River Center Mall with the homie.
What's up, Legit Vlogs, aka Legit Hogs.
We're gonna be doing a sneaker shopping battle. We're gonna start off with Foot Locker, then we're gonna go over to, I think, Champs, and then Shoe Palace for the grand finale. Now, if you guys don't know how it works, basically we're gonna have a challenge of 3 different brands at each different store. We're gonna both pick a sneaker. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. You guys will vote live as we are doing the challenge, and then at the end of the video, you guys can also vote for your winner in the comment section down below. I've pretty much won every single sneaker battle against Tim, so I'm pretty much like 3-0.
Right, look, I'm gonna test this theory today because normally he usually picks the hype sneakers. I choose to pick the sneakers that I actually like, but today I'm gonna reverse the scripts. I'm gonna pick the hype sneaker and see if it's just truly hype beasts that are picking, or if they really enjoy your chooses, like your options.
We'll see. With that said, I'll have polls up top so you guys can vote as the video plays, or you guys can comment down below. So for the very first round of the sneaker shopping battle, we're gonna have the Nike round here at Foot Locker, and this Foot Locker has a ton of Nike sneakers. They also have a lot of Jordans and a lot of Adidas sneakers, but today's focus for this store will be Nike. So let's check out the Nike selection, see what they have, and maybe we'll find some heat. Whenever it comes to the Nike selection at Foot Locker, they always hold you down. So here's a look at the Nikes that they had. Starting off with some Vapor Max 2s. They had a few different colorways of these, not too crazy about them. They had the new Nike Air Max 720 in this blue colorway. Here's a look at the already Air Max 90 that they had. Straight fire in my opinion. They also had some more Air Max 90s and this new Air Max 1 that reminds me of some Sean Witherspoons. Here's a look at the Just Do It Pack Air Max 1s. They had the white, they had the orange, which was very surprising. And of course, they had some Air Max 270s, one of Nike's best-selling sneakers in the last couple of years. They had this on sale for $100. This bread colorway is a straight steal for $100 US. They also had the Air Max Plus, and this is a colorway I wanted like 6 months ago when they released, and I wanted them, but now they're on sale. So now I can, buy them, no problem. Here's a look at some Air Force Ones they have for the Have a Nike days. Here's some Air More Up Tempos as well on sale. And here's a look at the other bulky sneakers that they have. A bit too bulky for my style, but you know what? If that's your style, they got you covered with a few different colorways. Last but not least, here's a look at some retro Air Jordans that they had at the Foot Locker. My favorite would have had to be these mid-top Air Jordan 1s with the white, gold, and patent leather. Here's some Legacy 312s also on sale for $100. And then the Royal Mids with the paint splatter for $90. That's a pretty solid price. And they also had these white cement Air Jordan mid sneakers as well. I love whenever they do like a white cement inspired Air Jordan 1. They always turn out really clean. And they also had the, of course, triple black mids and the Hyper Royal Blues down below for $110 on sale. And the last shoe are these crazy yellow blue bumblebee inspired, you could say, Vapor Max Pluses. These are straight fire. With that said, let's get to our picks for round number 1. All right, so for the first round of the shopping challenge, we have the Air Max tuned right here. They're Air Max Plus, one of the OG colorways, this blue one. Tim, what did you go with, man?
You already know, man. Kyrie Irving, the newest model in the black and red colorway. I feel like you can match this with anything. The red colorway is just a dope colorway in all sneakers. You got the cement print on the bottom, and I just think these shoes are fire, and I think that they're definitely gonna beat Christians.
Hit that poll right there, up there in the top right-hand corner, which sneakers you guys prefer, or you can comment down below as well. Let's get going to the next store. Alright, so we're here at Champ Sports for round 2 of the sneaker battle, and this round will be for the Adidas sneakers. Now, the Adidas section isn't as big as I thought it was compared to the sections back home in Canada, but there is still some pretty decent stuff. So let's take a look at the stuff, and Tim's selection will be first up. He's looking through the Adidas section, but for now, I'll show you guys some of the other stuff they have, and let's check out the Fila selection. Now, Fila put out a dad shoe that looks just like the OG Yeezy Wave Runner. These shoes right here, the colorway is so close. Like, look at these things. The colorway is legit same as the OG Wave Runner. It's insane. And these are going for only $75 for these ones right here. Here's a look at the other Fila sneakers as well. Got some Filas on sale for $49.99 right there. And over here we have that chunky disruptor shoe that was super trendy. $65 for these. They have them in the white colorways, these red, blue, and yellow colorways. The Nike section, we got the Cortezes, we got the Huaraches, of course, all the classics. We also got the Element React 55s. I do want to get a pair of these to review soon. I think there's some really good colorways on sale in Toronto, but they have, I think, some of the OG colorways for the Element React 55. So Tim is ready for the sneaker battle. So Tim, take it away for your choice for the Adidas round.
Honestly, I'm gonna have to go with these. I feel like most of you guys will enjoy this one more just because NMDs, they're affordable. The black boost is dope. The red upper is pretty fresh. And I think that a lot of you guys are gonna be wanting to wear these to school because I feel like they would, you know, stunt, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go with these.
For myself, we are actually gonna go with the Adidas Sobakov right here. They have a black and like charcoal gray colorway. I mess with these a lot. $99.99, solid price point. It's under $100. Check it out. The materials are pretty solid. We got hits of leather on the side. It's different. It's not your typical Adidas sneaker, and that's one thing I really like about these. And they're gonna go with everything as well. So Adidas Sobakov for round 2 of the sneaker battle. All right, so here's some more of the sneakers at Champ Sports. We got the South Beach Air Jordan 8s for $149.99. Solid price point on these, I want to say.
Oh, fire.
Fire. And then over here, we have these Air Force One lows. Now, these Air Force One lows just came out, and they're really cool. They have like this holographic print right here on the Nike Air on the tongue. I really like that. And on the side, the Nike swoosh and the stitching area has like some extra panels with the holographic print, and it's also like that on the back with the Nike Air. So it's a nice switch up compared to the regular Air Force One low triple white, but you guys know this is a staple for spring and summer. And then they also have a black colorway too, so if you're scared of your shoes getting dirty, you can still have that holographic kind of shiny print, but on the black leather upper of these Air Force One lows. And it has that same detailing on the tongue, really shiny like a Pokemon card, and then they also have it on the back for the Nike Air. What do you guys like better? Do you guys like the black or white? You guys can hit the poll up top right there. Which version of the Air Force One do you like better? The black ones right here, or do you like the white ones? We also got these Air Force One lows that just came out, the red with black, and there's no Nike Air on the tongue. Instead it has a swoosh, which is pretty cool. Black and red colorway. We also got a black and white version, and these Air Max Pluses just came out I think 3 or 4 days ago. Red and black, probably one of my favorite colorways so far. They also have like the South Beach Miami Vice Air Max 270s. Really love the way the teal or that blue and that pink really complement each other or contrast each other. All right, now on to the final round of the sneaker shopping battle or sneaker challenge. We have Shoe Palace right behind me. Love this store. They always have random restocks. Last time we copped the infrared 6s from 2014 while it was still 2018. So let's check it out. Shoe Palace, River Center Mall. This is going to be the Jordan round, but I want to show you guys some of the Nike sneakers here because they have stuff that the other stores did not have. So let's get into the sneakers. Starting off with the Air Max 98s. This is inspired by the Supreme collaboration that Nike did with Nike not too long ago, and they have the like OG general release version right here. Mess with these a lot. They also have some Air Max 97s with this weird sort of variety of prints on them. We also have a white, red, and blue one. And check it out, they also have a black solid color for the Air Max 98s. Ooh, I like these. We got some really nice, like cool gray, you could say, Air Max 95s. Really mess with this colorway. And one of the last colorways for the Air Max 95s is this olive green with orange. I like these a lot too. They also have some colorways of the Air Max 720s I haven't yet seen. They have this really cool gray colorway. Probably my favorite, honestly, of the Air Max 720. And then they also have a golden brown harvest caramel, you could say. It's like harvest caramel. What kind of name is that? But they have like a caramel colorway. I like these a lot. Checking on the Adidas section of Shoe Palace right now. We have a bunch of the monotone sneakers, all the black and white sneakers, the Superstars, the XPLRs, the Derups. But here, we got some color, we got some pop. We got the Adidas Young 96 right here, purple and blue colorway. We also have this one. I'm not really a fan of these colorways, but they're they're there. If you really want them, you can get them. And then they have these. Honestly, the selection is pretty crappy in terms of Adidas at Shoe Palace, so I don't go to Shoe Palace for Adidas. Well, what do we have here? Turns out they have some Defiant Air Jordan 1s available. We got the black with that red duct tape going across. These right here are a size 10, my size, and you know what? I might have to cop these. I just might have to cop these. So we'll put them down for now. This might be my selection for the sneaker battle. I won't show these to Tim because maybe Tim hasn't been to this corner So let's check up on the Jordan section right now, see what they have in stock. Ooh, they got these. I forget the name of these ones, but they sort of give off those off-white vibes with a hit of orange and black. Like this colorway a lot. They also have the white and yellow mids, sort of like a Laker kind of vibe. We got the top 3 Air Jordan mids as well. What the heck are these? They got these like Air Jordan 4 Toro runners? What the heck? This is so weird. I like the shoe. I like the shoe. I honestly like the shoe. Here's some more of the Jordans. We got the 4s, we got some 9s, we got some satin 5s. Here's a look at the 1s and some of the flights that they got. And down here we got the 6 rings, some Jordan 6s, and this is probably one of the best mids I've ever seen. Probably one of the best colorways of the Air Jordan 1 mids. So solid colorway. If you're looking for the Air Jordan 1 bread, but you are balling on a budget, consider the mids because these are pretty solid in my opinion. All right, so now for the final sneaker battle of today's video, the Air Jordan matchup. So Tim, what do we got here?
All right, man, so I'm gonna have to go with this Jordan 1, not only because I think it is gonna be the most popular out of all the Jordans they have here. They got a lot of good Jordans. I'm gonna tell y'all how it is. If it was my choice, I might or might not pick this one, okay? The reason why I'm picking this one, I saw it was like number 2 on StockX. They were selling these, so I'm pretty confident that these are gonna win. And I told you guys this time, it's not gonna be my choices, because when it's my choices, it doesn't win. But when it's hype, it's gonna win. So I'm confident in these that they're gonna win.
So that's Tim's choice for the battle.
Look, I'm gonna bet that I'm gonna win 3-0.
Whoa.
3-0.
That's a bold statement. My original choice was gonna be these Air Jordan 1 highs right here. But when I saw the other shoe that I don't think Tim saw, the Air Jordan 1 Defiance, I was like, all right, this is gonna have to be my pick. So I'm going with these, the Jordan 1 Defiant or Couture. I like these high fashion kind of vibes. I'm a fan of the bread ones. These obviously are inspired by the story of the band Air Jordan 1. So this is my pick. That's Tim's pick. And yeah, let's get this poll running. So I'm gonna cough these real quick, and then we're gonna head over to Tim's house for the results of the sneaker battle. And of course, it's not done yet. You guys can still vote. So make sure you guys vote down below. All right, so now we are back at my house, not Tim's, and we're gonna do the reveal for the sneaker shopping battle. Who won, me or Tim? So for battle number 1, we had the Nike Air Max Plus versus the Kyrie 5. And drum roll, please. I won. I beat Tim 51% to 49. This is absolutely the closest sneaker battle I've ever had in my entire life. I got 1,398 votes, while Tim got 1,329. So that was really close. Round 2 was a completely different story. For round 2, we had the Adidas Sobakov versus the Adidas NMD R1. And this round, Tim absolutely destroyed me. He absolutely destroyed me with 87% of the vote, while I got 17%. So Tim got 2,544 votes. I got 366. Feels bad. So it is now a tie, 1-1. And for the final round, the final tie-breaking round for this sneaker battle with Legit Vlogs, aka Tim, we have myself with the Air Jordan 1 Couture or Defiant, and Tim went with the Air Jordan 1 Mid, the black, white, and gold that is all over the place at every single sneaker store. So, drum roll please, we have the winner, and he is me. I won. I beat Tim 64% to 36. So good game, Tim, good game. I got 2,083 votes, while Tim got 1,165. If you guys like this video, smash that thumbs up button down below. Of course, if you want to enter the Yeezy giveaway as well, comment down below who you think won today's sneaker battle, which rounds, or if you just want to say the overall winner, comment down below for a shot at some free Yeezys for the March Yeezy giveaway, a size 10 pair of Sesames. With that said, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Hope you have an amazing weekend, and Tim, in your face.